Morning, guys. It is November 22nd, 2018. This is going to be a Happy Thanksgiving video type of thing. Me and Miss Molly just saying Happy Thanksgiving to everybody. Um, Thanksgiving's a time to spend time with your family and friends. And I'm going to see some friends today and go over to my family's later on around 4 o'clock. Spend some time with my sister. And I got a lot of texts already this morning from some of my sisters and stuff. Yeah, well, I wanted to do a big shout out to Value Testers. Right now, that's my only sponsor, and the great company. They recently sent me a carbon monoxide detector to try out, and it's been a good company to deal with. Um, they're big tool company. All the links in the description of all my videos for them guys. And I just want to do a big thanks to all my friends on YouTube and on Facebook. I got a lot of friends on Facebook too that follow me. And also, I get a lot of questions about Miss Molly. I mean, she's what she is. She's a long-haired Chihuahua, and she's only a puppy. She's only 5 months old, and she's been a good little addition to my channel. And she spends all the time with me. She's very, very, very clingy and very loving little dog. So usually she wants to just hang out with me on my arms like this. But I just wanted to do a Happy Thanksgiving video for everybody and wish everybody Happy Thanksgiving. All right, guys. Not a long video. Just wanted to do a shout out to everybody, especially my loyal subs. All right, have a good day, and more videos to come.